Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to make a Gmail as a dark mode, which is it's very cool features on any other apps. So here I already opened my Gmaps and sorry, not Gmaps but Gmail, Google Mail. And then how to doing that, you just open this burger icon on the upper here. Okay, after that you can scroll down until you can find these settings on the bottom. After that, here are listed all my email that log onto my phone, and then I can click this general settings, and then here you can see this theme system default, so you can click that one and then you can click this dark mode. Now my Gmail is already dark mode. Not only this account but all the accounts will be the dark mode in display. It's very good. So you no need to setting one by one of your account, but you can setting just what I did for all of your account, Gmail account. Okay, that's it. Very simple. I hope it's helpful for you. If you did, please subscribe our channel. And then if you have any question, please put on the comment below. Thank you. Bye bye.